everyone! I am Rainier Bon Salalema, a grade 4 student of Friends of My School. Today I will share with you some ways to teach peace to kids. It's number 1, kindness counts. Being kind is like planting a seed of peace. Let's make the world a happier place by saying and doing kind things. Sharing is caring. Sharing is like sharing a piece of peace. Let's show we care by sharing our toys, snacks, and smiles. Solving problems together. Talk calmly and find solutions that make everyone feel good. Working together is like building a bridge of peace. Number 4, respecting differences. Everyone is different, and that's awesome. Let's respect each other and celebrate